viewers, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to make DIY organizer, as I got few comments how to make it. So as you all have seen my organizer in my last video, actually it's the second last video, so let's check how we made it. After seeing the whole round of my organizer, now it's time to make it. I took a wedding card which looked somewhat like this, just similar. Now this was a card which I used to make the pen stands, and I just made some measurements. I took measurement of 9 cm and 15 cm of one pen stand. 9 cm was my breadth and 15 cm was my length. So this is a cardboard that I used. It is a part of my wedding card only. Now we are going to do half cut from the between 9 cm and 15 cm. Between 9 cm and 15 cm, I am going to do a half cut to fold it. Now I'll just show you how we did our half cut. Take a scale and a scissors, split it into two and start scratching the paper. Cut this little part because it was getting a little more thicker. Then hold it. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. Now these are two boxes which are of square shape, and we are going to cut these two boxes again. So it will stable on our stand, our organizer, and this will require less Fevicol. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? After marking those square boxes, we are going to cut it. Again using a scissors or a cutter. After cutting these two boxes, stick them into your bone, that means the base of your organizer. As same, make one more like this for this side, last side. And for the between one, make one more like this only. Now I'll show you how I make these two drawers. This is the first and the second drawer. This is a kind of a sliding drawer. I'm going to tell you a trick how we made it, and this is a secret drawer that we just named ourselves because there was space left inside the second drawer, below the second drawer. And this drawer is not compulsory enough. If you have this kind of black drawer, you may please put it. So this was the net of our drawer, which is almost 4 centimeter height, 15 centimeter length, and 9 centimeter breadth. Now we are going to cut this. I'll just show you in a rough manner. Now cut all 4 corner squares. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After cutting it, fold it. Fold all the boxes together, all the rectangular boxes together, like this. Now paste it using a paper. Now how we made the sliding drawer. You have to make these 2 types of drawer of same size together. Now take a rectangular shape card or a paper. You may take again from a wedding card. Cut a piece accordingly to your drawers and drawers. Now fold it into half and paste it. If you have a drawer, over the right hand side, paste the closed side towards the right. If you have a drawer, over left hand side, paste the covered part towards left hand side. Then it will move like this. This drawer, the black drawer, is not compulsory. We made this black drawer to keep all our stuff, all our large stuff inside it. Our organizer is ready. Now it's your turn to create yourself. Now, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and even comment below. Thanks for watching. Previous video links are given under the description box. Do watch them.